Hi. They say experience is the best way to learn things, and I think this expo does exactly that. Let me take you through what the children have done in this exhibition. So, we had an entire exhibition around A to Z of finance, and they took each one of them took an alphabet to explain an important part of finance. Like, for example, you have assets, cash, debt, different sources of earning. So it was nice to see how children got a detailed view of what these financial terms mean. All right. So this section, starting from finance, moved on to hiring, ways of earning income, the different jobs people could look at in the future. It also talked about negotiation, money, loan, what are the different kinds of loans the banks offer. And moving here, they talked about profit, credit card, how to apply for a credit card. They also got to understand and tell the visitors about different kinds of risks. What are the different kinds of savings they can do? So it was interesting to see how they save themselves as well. And the last part was the taxes. All right. So this last portion from U to Z talked about value, worth. If you see, they have some very beautiful models to explain the entire life cycle of how a product goes to the wholesaler, finally to the retailer, and that is where we buy it from. So I think an experiential way of understanding how expenditures are done and how things are bought was lovely to see. So I hope everybody enjoyed.